Good afternoon to our lecturer. Yes, Abdullah bin Magiman. We are from section 7, group 4. Today our team is going to present our engineering economy project, which is EcoRoof technology solution. To begin, why does our project falls under complex engineering activities? The development of our heat-reducing roof panel goes far beyond standard routine manufacturing formulas. We are synthesizing highly unpredictable, unstructurable recycled waste stream into a uniform, load-bearing composite matrix. This creates a classical engineering conflict, optimizing the panel internal structure for high thermal insulation, inherently risks weakening its mechanical strength and fire resistance. Balancing this variable requires advanced chemical compounding and iterative analysis. Looking at our project overview, EcoTech solution directly addresses two modern crises: skyrocketing buildings, cooling costs, and massive municipal solid waste accumulation. By upcycling non-biodegradable waste into highly efficient, highly reflective roofing system via low carbon exclusion, we bridge the gap between green construction and a circular economy. Finally, we have set three clear metric-driven objectives to guide our commercialization. First is technically. Our panel will reduce indoor temperature by 4 degrees and 6 degrees Celsius compared to traditional metal roof, maintaining a 20 years lifespan. Secondly is environmentally. We aim to divert 500 tons of plastic and industrial waste from landfill within our first 2 years of operation. And the third one is economically. We target market entry within 18 months, offering a price point of 50% lower than premium alternative to ensure a project payback period of 4 years for early adopters.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sa'ad bin Muhammad, and I will explain about the benchmarking process part. So the first one is you have to set the objective. The objective is reduce heat effectively, have strong and durable, affordable to produce, help the environment, and also have a good market potential. Number two is compare our product with existing roof, like cool roof, reflective roof, metal roofs, and lastly insulated roof. The third one is measure the performance in terms of temperature reduction, durability and weather resistant, amount of recycled material used, and also production and installation cost. The fourth one is test the product to know whether our product is ready to be sold, like roof temperature under sunlight, indoor temperature reduction, energy saving from less air condition use, and lastly is the strength under different weather condition. The last one is number 5 is we have to compare our EcoRoof performance with the best roofing product available. So number 6 for benchmarking process is identify the product improvement, like reduce more heat and increase durability, lower cost, and lastly improve production efficiency. Number 7 is we want to commercialize the product, which we want to grow the product more further. We have to obtain green certification, work with builder and developer, promote environmental benefits, and highlight energy cost saving. The last one is continuously, we have to continuously improve the product, like collect customer feedback, monitor product performance, and lastly improve future version. Thank you. That's all for benchmarking. Next is the SWOT analysis, which is strength, and opportunities, and threats. So there are several SWOT that we obtain. For the strength is the product is manufactured from recycled waste material, which is supporting sustainability and help reduce energy consumption and cooling costs. For the weaknesses, the first one is the product required further performance validation under different weather condition and high initial research development and testing costs. For the opportunities, this product is growing demand for green and sustainable building material, increased awareness of energy efficiency and environmental issue. So the last one is for the trades. For the trade is customer reluctance to adopt new technologies and fluctuation in the supply cost of recycled material. That's all for this one analysis. Thank you.
Looking at our financial plan, our projections are built upon three core assumptions. For the first one is the fixed cost assumption, the second one is the variable cost assumption, and our base target selling price. By defining this parameter clearly, we can accurately project our manufacturing overhead, calculate our break-even margin, and ensure the long-term economic viability of our project. Looking at the financial projection, our project demonstrates a highly valuable growth trajectory over a 5-year period. In year 1, we achieve a positive cash flow right away because our entry-level sale of 5,000 units safely clear our break-even flow of 4,000 units. Moving into year 1 and year 3, moving into year 2 and year 3, our operating profit escalated rapidly as we scale up production while keeping our fixed manufacturing overhead stable. Finally, by year 4 and 5, the plant reaches its maximum planned scala of 10,000 panel annually, yielding a highly stable and recurring annual cash flow of 180,000 ringgit. This steady series serves as our core dataset for the compounding interest present worth and engineering economic evolution detail.
For team structure and responsibilities, we have lead product engineers, where he is responsible for physical design, 3D panel geometry via SolidWorks, ensuring continuous structural integrity and evaluating thermodynamic efficiency of recycled material. Secondly, the market analyst, where we focus on understanding the competitive landscape, conduct comprehensive benchmarking against existing roofing solutions, formulate the SWOT analysis, and structures the business model canvas. Thirdly is project manager financially. It oversees the project timeline and economic viability and calculate fixed or variable costs, define the break-even point, and apply the time value of money principle for long-term profitability. And lastly, the operation director. He manages supply chain and manufacturing logistics, sourcing recycled waste material, outlining workflow, and strictly aligning resource allocation with the phase implementation and schedule. For operational planning, we have key resource allocation. Firstly, raw material. Sourcing high-quality recyclable industrial and consumer plastic or composite waste for the panel base. Secondly, manufacturing equipment. Injection molding machine, heat presses, and industrial racks for shaping and curing. Thirdly is software and hardware. High-performance workstation equipment with CAD modeling tools and specialized financial tracking software. And for the second part, implementation plan. Our phase 1 is research and prototyping, duration for 1 month to 3 months. Financialized by the material composite ratios using recycled waste. For phase 2 is business and financial structuring for month 4 to 6. Financialize the business model canvas and competitor benchmark report. And phase 3, market launch and scaling for month 7 to 12. Begin low volume pivot manufacturing to refine assembly line efficiency.
Moving on to our financial evaluation, these 4 capital budget parameters form the baseline for our engineering economic calculation. First is initial investment, which is 200k. This is our upfront capital at year 10 to process the automated plastic shredder and extrusion pressing assembly. The next one is annual cash flow. This is our expect equalized net operating profit coming in uniformly at the end of each year. And the third one is study period in 5 years. While our EcoRoof panels have a 20-year structure lifespan, then we are using a constructive 5-year financial horizon to evaluate investment recovery. Last but not least, the hurdle rate MARR is 10% per annum. This is our corporate baseline and discount rate for green technology investment.
Moving on to the final part of our presentation, let's look at the conclusion and recommendation for EcoRoof Tech Solution. To summarize our findings, our comprehensive engineering and economy evaluation proved that this venture is more technically viable and highly profitable. On the technical and environmental side, we have successfully navigated a complex engineering activity, creating an eco panel that achieves our target of 4 degrees Celsius to 6 degrees Celsius cooling effect, while working to divert 500 tons of waste from landfill. From a financial standpoint, our target selling price of RM60 allows us to clear our break-even hurdle at 400 units annually. We see the immediate profitable in 1 year, which steadily climbs as production scales up to its maximum 100,000 unit capacity by year 4 and year 5. Thus, immediately, our engineering economy evaluation proved a solid triple verification at a corporate hurdle rate of 10% MARR over 5 years study period. And all 3 independent capital budgeting methods yield positive results. Our present worth is positive at 27448, and the future worth reaches 44206, and our annual worth stands at a stable 7240. This heavily justifies that initial of 200,000 machinery investment will be fully recovered while generating notable surplus value. To successfully bring EcoRoof to market, our team recommends a phased implementation plan. First, we must prioritize materials certificate like Green Building Index to build customer trust. Second, we need to lock in long-term supply contract with a waste collector to protect ourselves against raw material price fluctuation. And third, we should aggressively launch a B2B marketing campaign targeting industrial developers, emphasizing our 50% price advantage and a rapid sub-4 years payback period. With this step, EcoRoof Tech Solution is ready to turn environmental taste into a sustainable, highly lucrative business.